Hello, welcome back. This is Minister Lorraine. I want to share with you a few minutes about Job in the Bible, chapter 1. He was an upright man and he was a servant of God. He was committed to serving the Lord. He loved the Lord. And Satan had a conversation with the Lord. He wanted to buffet him. He wanted to break him down so he can renounce his religion and not serve God anymore. He decided, I'm going to take everything away from him and then I'm going to vex his body. And see, Job was a wealthy man. He had plenty of money. He had a big family. They feast, they married, they had parties. I mean, he had it going on. And so the Lord said, okay, you could touch my servant Job, but you could touch his body, but don't touch his soul. And so to make a long story short, he took all his substance from him, all his resources, all his money, his cattle, his family. His wife was so discouraged. She said, why don't you curse your God and die? But he did not. Then after that, that wasn't enough. Satan attacked his body and he had sores all over his body. And that's what Satan would do to us. Attack our mind, attack our body, afflict our bodies to see will we bow down to him. And we're not going to bow down to him. And so to make a long story short, his friends saw him suffering with all those sores. Like you might be going through something right now and people looking at you wondering, did you sin? Why are you going through all this? But Job did not sin. He stood firm. He kept loving the Lord, even though his wife left him. He lost everything, nearly lost his life. And so in the end, God replenished him and gave him double for his trouble. That's what God would do for us. So keep serving the Lord no matter what, no matter how many fiery darts are come your way or thrown at you, afflictions. God said, hallelujah, that I will deliver you out of all your afflictions. So hold on to that word and be courage until the next time. God bless you. God bless. Bye-bye.